Hey buddies, so recently we moved to a new apartment here in Singapore, so I needed to relocate all my stuff. So today we're doing a quick time lapse of the whole setup. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to get notified. So here you go, this is the small corner that I found inside my room, and we're gonna set up my table in here. So there's no fancy table or gaming chair in my setup. Mostly are from IKEA, but I'm planning to upgrade maybe this year or next year, but who knows. You're still gonna see it in my future vlogs. This might take a while, so let's continue the time lapse. So in this setup, most of the toys are from Good Smell Company and Funko Pops. So many of you really love this acrylic display case, so we're gonna set up this one right here. So in total, this display case can hold up to 18 figures with 3 rows of sticks. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button below and also follow me on my other social media accounts. Now let's continue the time lapse. So I needed a base, a stand for each of the toys to put on the shelf. And of course I put the Marvel Avengers on top of the display case. We're halfway there, and let's continue setting up this display case. A few more figures to set up and we're ready to go. And again, don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts. So, this is gonna be my setup for now, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you again next time, and please keep safe, keep healthy, and keep blessed. Miyaw!